Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming agency authorization and required permissions on your device. Sign into the official account, grant location and notification access, and allow background data. Once done, verify the app version and map downloads so offline routing works. Make sure to configure a secure passcode and agency email for alerts. This minimizes delays when you begin live monitoring and reporting. Now that your base is secure, open Waze and move directly to configuring incident reporting tools. Now you configure reporting and map filters to match operational needs. Select relevant incident types, hazards, road closures, collisions, and set alert thresholds so you get timely notifications without noise. Link Waze to dispatch or CAD feeds if available, and enable visibility options for officer locations and speed-related reports. Once configured, run a short live test to confirm alerts route correctly to the assigned device and dispatch channel. This ensures actionable intel reaches the right person. In operation, prioritize confirmation before sending units. Use camera, radio, or on-scene checks to validate Waze reports. Share verified incidents through your dispatch system and log each action for accountability. Once the incident is closed, sync notes with CAD and update the Waze report if you can. If alerts stop or data seems missing, immediately check app permissions, cellular/Wi-Fi connectivity, and that the app is up to date. Restarting the app or device often restores reporting within minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.